Sister wives, Mary morbid warning raises eyebrows. And Janelle Brown enjoys special outing with grandkids. I will explain everything. Watch this video until end. Hi lovely viewers. Welcome to my update gossip channel. Sister Wives star Mary Brown released a message about suicide this weekend that caught the attention of the fans from her TLC show. This message appears similar to the usual cryptic posts she dangles online for her followers. Fans want to know where she is going with this, or if she is pointing the finger at someone. Sister Wives, Mary Brown comes out of left field with message. Mary Brown wasn't talking about anything recently that coincides with the message she posted over the weekend. She never mentioned a name when sharing this new post with her million-plus followers. For Sister Wives fans, many assumed that she had the tragic ending to Garrison Brown's life in mind with this post. Garrison took his life 2 months ago. The police ruled it a suicide after finding him with a gunshot wound to the head. Sister Wives fans were surprised to see such a blatant message about suicide. But then many realized at the end of Mary's post, the message also said that May is Mental Health Awareness Month. So, is this Mary's way of drawing attention to this with hopes of getting the word out? And maybe staving off this awful outcome for another family? Mary's devastation over Garrison's death became clear in her posts. She, and the rest of the family, were at a loss about how to navigate going forward with such a loss now part of their lives. So, for her to want to get a message out about suicide is only understandable, especially if it helps others. But some fans wonder if that is the only message within that post. Mary mentions no names. Mary never mentioned a name in her message, so if she points a finger at someone, that person remains a mystery. Cryptic messages from Mary in the past left fans assuming she was talking about another Sister Wives family member at the time. But this message deals with an unsettling topic. It talks about people not taking someone seriously when they suffer from mental illness. Instead, some tend to accuse the person of attention seeking when suicidal. Mary Brown message also talks about the regrets in hindsight of a suicide. In the aftermath of a suicide, people feel bad and wish they saw the signs. And that's likely true in many families after a loved one takes their own life. Sister Wives, too soon for this. While the message is important, some Sister Wives fans worry that the words might sound a bit condemning for those left behind in the famous Brown family. The Sister Wives tragedy has the family in its early days, wrestling with ways to move on. So, some fans suggest this message, coming from a family member, might give off the wrong idea. This post could be deciphered as Mary Brown pointing fingers at an unnamed family member. Again, it's important to take any suggestion of suicide seriously enough to act immediately, which is a message that needs to be heard. Still, some fans suggest with all the turmoil seen within that family, Mary Brown's seemingly cryptic message might rip open a few wounds. Again, this message needs to get out there. But as a Sister Wives family member, fans think the wording could have been a bit different, so it left no room for speculation as a finger-pointing post. Sister Wives star Janelle Brown has been spending a lot of time with her grandkids these days. She went to her daughter Madhi home after Garrison's funeral. The TLC star returned to Flagstaff to spend time with her other kids after a few days. Now, Janelle has returned to Madison Place again. The mom-daughter duo has made many plans to spend together this year. Janelle has already decided to engage her grandkids in outdoor activities. Previously, she shared about her gardening plans with her fans. The reality TV celeb wanted to try her hand at growing veggies in North Carolina environment. But it seems like Janelle has been making new memories with Madhi kids. She recently went on an outing with her grandkids for a lovely time together. Sister Wives, Janelle Brown takes grandkids for an outing. Janelle Brown likes making new memories with her family members. She has been keeping herself busy with new adventures since losing her son Garrison Brown. The TLC stars have been giving each child equal time and making new memories with them. Previously, she went to Arkansas to watch the sun eclipse with Logan and his wife Michelle. Janelle also had a lovely time with her son, Gabriel Brown, and his friends. They enjoyed a great meal in Flagstaff. Now, the mom of 6 has returned to North Carolina to live with Madhi and her family. Fans have been showering a lot of love on Madison and Caleb for supporting Janelle at this time. Recently, Janelle posted a new picture of herself, making new memories with her family. She recorded Madhi and her children picking strawberries from a large farm. She also recorded herself, flashing a big smile on her face as her grandchildren were busy filling their buckets with strawberries. The reality TV star said, "Acres of beautiful red strawberries, our buckets filled up fast." Janelle also informed her fans about her agenda of making jam and pie after picking fresh strawberries from the patch. Viewers were happy to see her smiling and making new memories. One fan said, "You're also making wonderful memories with them too that they will remember always." Meanwhile, the others pointed at how fresh she looked in the new video. Sister Wives, Janelle Brown rants about annoying gym trend. Janelle Brown likes opening up about her thoughts with her followers. She has been very serious about her workout routine, but the Sister Wives star has noticed a weird trend in gyms these days. Janelle recently recorded herself while ranting about today's generation and their latest trends. She noted how she had been wearing long t-shirts in the gym for years. The TLC star likes the way it covers her body and offers comfort. But Janelle was frustrated with women wearing crop tops while working out in the gym. She was disappointed to see the type of clothing everywhere she went. Janelle felt that gym shirts give more comfort and durability than regular crop tops. Several fans agreed with the 55-year-old and wanted the trend to go. Moreover, they wanted her to start her line of workout clothing. Sister Wives stars Christine and Janelle have continued their friendship after walking away from the polygamous family. They have been sharing the same bond as they had during their marriage with Cody. One of the reasons for their closeness is their same professions. The reality TV stars have been a part of the popular MLM company for a long time. They have actively promoted the pink drinks on various social media platforms. Janelle's daughter, Madhi, has also been a part of the business. The trio often hang out with each other during their work trips and vacations. However, fans have been skeptical about the effectiveness of the products. A lot of people claim that the products don't help much in achieving their health goals. Now they are claiming that reality TV stars are only working for money. Janelle and Christine have been in the MLM business for years. They have been showing off the huge results from the products through their social media posts. The Sister Wives stars have been struggling with different health problems. Janelle, Christine, and Madhi are happy to find a product that has been helping them achieve their health goals. However, fans are a bit confused if the products are seriously helping them. Recently, a TLC fan took to Reddit to clear the doubts of everyone regarding MLM products. The app wrote, "If you were ever confused, WTF Plexus even is in the thread." He also posted a screenshot of Saban's latest podcast, A Marital Tour of Misguided Medicine. Dr. Sydney Mizuroy and her husband, Justin, use the platform to explore different products and evaluate their efficiency. Well, the doctors found many positives in the product. Surprisingly, they found out that the company boils the products down to mostly caffeine and magnesium. They use it as the main ingredient and help individuals to achieve the results. Moreover, they noted that the company started as breast check and became a weight loss and health management business. Several Sister Wives fans agreed with Swabons and expressed how much they liked listening to the podcast. Meanwhile, the others felt that Christine and Janelle were only in for the money. One fan said, and yet, Janelle and Christine keep getting a pass for shilling this crap. Further, the others were surprised by the unexpected crossover. Sister Wives star Christine Brown has been raising awareness about menopause on social media with fans. She has been sharing her experiences and symptoms with her followers. Recently, the TLC star took to Instagram to post a picture of herself with a big smile. She posed in front of a big bookshelf while rocking an olive denim jacket with a printed top underneath. She asked her fans if they ever went on a roller coaster ride without stepping out of their house. Christine continued, "Welcome to my world of unexpected twists and turns, courtesy of hot flashes and tummy issues." Moreover, she invited her followers to join her new Instagram page, which she shares with Janelle and Madhi to promote the MLM business. What do you think about this video? Please told on comment box. Also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.